Yeah, got it. Today here in the Peshtigo River in Silver Cliff, Wisconsin with Kim.
Hi.
And she gave me a call yesterday.
We were rafting. I went to turn over on my tube and lost my phone. And now here is Ed to save the day and find my phone, hopefully.
Yeah, and you actually can track it on your that phone too, huh?
Its location right here.
So that's really nearby here.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, let's go find it and get your phone back.
Yeah, let's do that.
Got a lure. So from here up, so come out here more. This way. You said you weren't able to stand? It's not very deep here at all. This way. All right. Yeah, got it. Nice. Get it. Cool find. Wow. Well, her phone is working.
Yeah, look at the charge. Look at my grandbaby.
Wow.
Oh my God. Look at this, you guys. And I had some naysayers.
Yep.
Sorry, naysayers. Oh my God, so exciting. So exciting.